It's your fault for loving me. You put your trust in me. Not even ask. So first up, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So a quick disclaimer first, I'm going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, so let's playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And aside from that, I'm also going to be teaching this to you guys as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your guitar. But before I begin, please do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated from future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just go and jump right into it. So before I teach you guys the chord progressions that we're going to use in this song, I'd just like to discuss with you the chords that we're going to use throughout this entire song, which are going to be these ones right here. Yep. So basically it's just going to be these four chords right here. So first up is going to be the A minor 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And that's going to be 5, dead string, 5, 5, 5, then another dead string. Next up is going to be the B minor 7 chord, which is going to be like this. That's going to be 7, dead string, 7, 7, 7, then another dead string. Yep. Next up is going to be the E minor 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And to do this chord, we're going to use our index finger to bar the entire 7th fret, starting from the A string down to the high E string. And as for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be a dead string with the lower E string. It's going to be 7, 9, 7, 8, and then 7. Yep, and lastly it's going to be the C major 7 chord, which is going to be like this. That's going to be a dead string with the lower E string. 3, 5, 4, 5, then another dead string. Yep, so all in all it's going to be the A minor 7 chord, B minor 7, E minor 7, then the C major 7 chord. And as for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for the entirety of this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, so it's just going to be like this. Yep, once more. And so let me break it down for you guys. It's going to be down, down, down. That's going to be the first 2 counts of the strumming pattern. And the last 2 counts of the strumming pattern is going to be this one right here. Up, down, up, down, 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 up. Now if you prefer to use your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums and this part of your thumb for the up strums. So once again, it's going to be down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. But if you prefer to use a pick, it's going to be much more straightforward than that, as you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. Yep, so it's going to be down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Yep, so all in all, it's going to be like this for the strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. So with that said, that entire strumming pattern is going to be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to play in this song. Okay, so for the verse as well as the chorus sections of this song, chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. Yep, so first up is going to be the A minor 7 chord for 8 counts, which is going to be like this. Now with this chord being played for 8 counts, this means that we're now going to be doing our strumming pattern twice. So once again, A minor 7 for 8 counts, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. One more, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Yep, the next up is going to be the B minor 7 chord for 4 counts, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. It's going to be the E minor 7 chord for 4 counts as well. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, down. Then after that, we're going to be repeating that entire thing one more time. So once again, A minor 7 chord for 8 counts. One more. It's going to be the B minor 7 chord for 4 counts. E minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, so all in all from the top, it's going to sound a little bit like this. B minor 7, E minor 7, one more, you have it. And once you finally figured that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. You say we don't even make love no more, I'm not sure, but you know that's not right. Are you sweating, babe? Oh, say can't give you my life. Okay, and as for the pre-chorus sections of this song, the chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. Yep. So we're going to be starting it all off with the C major 7 chord for 2 counts. And for this one, we're going to be using the first 2 counts of the strumming pattern that I've taught you guys earlier. So it's just going to be the down, down, down bit. Yep, just like that. The next up is going to be the B minor 7 chord for 6 counts. So to start this one off, we're going to be doing the second half of the strumming pattern first. Then we're going to be doing one round of the strumming pattern. So it's going to be the up, down, 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 up. Then the 4 counts of the strumming pattern. So it's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Yep, just like that. So from here, it's going to be down, down, down. Then on the B minor 7, it's going to be up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So once again, starting from the C major 7 chord for 2 counts, down, 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 B minor 7 chord for 6 counts, up, down, 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 up. It's going to be the A minor 7 chord for 8 counts. It's going to be like this. Once again, it's going to be the C major 7 chord for 2 counts, B minor 7. It's going to be the E minor 7 chord for 8 counts. Yep, so all in all, it's going to sound a little bit like this. C major 7 chord for 2 counts, A minor 7, C major 7, and once you finally figured that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. It's your fault for loving me, put your trust in me. Nothing else, nothing else. I'd sign off for nothing like that. I'm just doing me, I was coming right back. While you left me alone, and she knew I was coming home. So lastly, for the outro section of this song, the chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. Yep, that's just going to be the A minor 7 chord for 8 counts, B minor 7 chord for 4 counts, then it's going to be the E minor 7 chord for 4 counts. So once again, it's going to be like this. Then the B minor 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the E minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, and that's pretty much it. So when it comes to playing the outro section of this song, it's going to be like this. A minor 7 chord for 8 counts. Yep, that's how you play the entire song. Yeah. So yeah, that's the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for reaching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. So good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.